Torque fam. Back at y'all with another video. We got some of the Wolfpack. Not even close to all the Wolfpack.
Not even close.
Like, not even close, bruh. We got another Wolfpack fam over there, that big old truck. This is just some of us. We got more people to arrive as well. But, today's video is not going to be about the Wolfpack. It's going to be about this pack. Oh, that's a package.
Oh wait, it's turned around.
Oh, hold on. Oh, yeah. Well, let's fix this. What is y'all doing, man? Oh, that's an Action Clutch. Performance clutch manufacturer. ActionClutch.com.
Race car parts.
Oh, that's a race car
parts.
Oh,
Lots of race car parts.
All right, so listen, bro. We gotta open this up. We gotta show the Torque fan what's up. Wow, that thing doing backflips.
Side flips, turbo flips.
It better not be flipping in the car.
Hopefully it doesn't drop my car, fucks it up. Alrighty, quick unboxing.
Oh, why we gotta make it quick? That's gonna make me nauseous and I'm gonna get sick.
Clutch, not mine.
Oh yeah, come on, man.
You're opening it, actually.
Thanks.
A box in a box.
Oh, that's a box in a box.
Damn.
Okay.
Trying to keep it more surprised.
Okay, that's just weird. Oh, it's actually.
Oh wait, it's a box in a box with a box in it. Hold on.
Open this one first.
Hold on, yeah. Let me, this thing.
It's heavy.
Yeah. What's the, what? We got some styrofoam. I like the way they package this though.
Yeah, it's good packaging. It's actually decent packaging for it, you know.
Cause honestly, like, what if the mailman just said he was going?
Talk about that chromo lightweight flywheel.
Okay.
Oh yeah, yo, look how.
And we still have more goodies up in here.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Hitting them.
Next goodie.
What's this right here? Let's see what this is. Let's see. You got it from right there. Go ahead, straight up. I don't know what you said, but it sounded like you were saying why you opening the box. So you got it.
Stage 2 clutch.
It should look nice.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, I need a six puck though.
She doesn't weigh either. Oh, back.
I think they're ceramic. I don't know. I gotta check their specs on it.
Yo, look at the material
And
on
then the
this,
little
bro.
box.
What's in the little box?
No, wait, you forgot the flywheel on the back.
What you mean?
There's a flywheel, the
There's more
pressure plate,
parts
not the
of
flywheel.
Oh wow!
Oh, and I think that it's
Oh, you got a sticker. Oh, you got. Hey, that's some horsepower right there, bro.
Hey, the lanyard.
Oh, you got the lanyard. Okay. He got the lanyard.
Oh, she did not.
He got the lanyard.
Got hooked up.
I feel like a kid at Christmas right now. And this ain't even mine.
That's so pretty.
That is pretty.
Oh, that's red.
So pretty.
That's cool, bro. I like that. Yo, look at this.
Aggressive.
It does, bro. Hold on. Yeah, that's nice. Honestly, bro, the way they packaged this, I feel like I could have played soccer with the Bucks.
Soccer?
Yeah, bro.
Wait, we still haven't opened the little one. Okay, so this is for sponsors.
Yeah, man. Listen, man. They give y'all the little keychain right here. That's clean.
And the
Action Clutch decal. But that's for horsepower. We ain't gonna talk about that right now.
I think stage 2 closed like 550 around there. And the heavy duty slave.
I will not give out.
Heavy duty.
Oh, this heavy duty.
HD and not for high definition.
Wait, so what does the HD stand for?
Heavy duty.
Oh, alright, cool. Y'all had me confused. I was like, wait, hold on. So what it stand for? Oh, that's what it stand for? Oh, alright, we cool.
Makes more sense now, huh?
But yeah, guys, so this is your Action Clutch. They package it, and it's, you know, very well. Yeah, bro, I could make my bed with that styrofoam. So this is heavily packaged, which it should be. I'd rather be over packaged than not, you know.
It comes with some
Everything
instructions.
has-
A lot of goodies. Warranty wise.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a warranty?
That's warranty.
Alright, cool. What they talking about?
Exceptions were replaced at no charge for parts only that provide defective because of improper workmanship. If
Well, listen.
unable.
This clutch is gonna go on her 370Z. It's a yellow banana.
Yellow banana.
Yeah.
Pikachu.
Yeah.
No, don't call it the Pikachu.
Pikachu.
She just threw the box at him. Oh, y'all feisty. Yeah. Gang in it, bitch. Gang in it, bitch. Boy, look at Shaquille. What's good, Shaq? Big tall, yo. I was not expecting his big ass to get out that little car. Boy hopped out the little car. Like, nigga, what? What? Listen, y'all can do it.
Come on, Dora.
Dora.
He just called that man Dora.
Big ass.
Boy, you disrespectful.
Boots.
Oh wait, so that mean that y'all cousins then?
Maybe.
Okay.
Ceremony.
Yeah. Oh wait, hold on. Who is this?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Back again. I mean,
Again with another video.
black again.
Whoa.
Oh, my bad.
I'm as white as I can get, bro. I'm
You're actually ginger.
Hey, date night.
So you kind of in the middle, big fella.
Wait, so I'm not white? I'm just ginger?
Yeah. What y'all think he
You're a
is?
different breed.
Ginger?
I mean,
You're just like the Yodi. It's a dying breed.
facts. Hey, yo. Where's this at? Hey, watch out. Move your leg. Yeah. Just wanted to show them that.
You're the one. I'm not putting. You're the one
Woo!
who's like that. I'm not messing with who's better. And
Oh, he doing it.
they kick my butt.
Woo! Welcome to the fam. Welcome. Everybody, we good. Now we can walk around and do some shit. Yo, they like the same height.
Somebody didn't eat their vegetables, bro. Like somebody didn't eat their vegetables.
We got the squad out here, boys.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the pack.
Where your girl at?
Oh, she left me, bro.
Huh?
She left me.
She left your ass?
She's right there. She left. Yeah.
Camo?
Yeah.
I got a girl?
Y'all know that's my next car. Stop it. Hey, he need to be in a Wolfpack. That thing clean. Which one? It's a bunch of heads here, and then this the Wolfpack.
One pen, one train. Tell God, forgive me for one sin. Matter of fact, maybe more than one. Look back at all the hatred against me. Touch all of them. Jesus died at age 33. It's 33.
Especially dropping the money.
Boy, weak. Look at his fitment. Where is the fitment? How you tucking tire? Then we got this.
Came out so nice. Oh my bad.
Boy, where's your fitment goals at, bruh? That boy is tucking. He look like me static. I used to love this car right here, fam. I used to love that. Got to do with it, baby. Oh, he said I'm sitting clean, boy. Oh my God! What? Dude, that's worse than a credit card. Put your hand there.
You couldn't, dude.
Oh, that's a Supra. Oh, I'm super excited.
Hey, bro, what's that?
Weak. Weak. I like them cams. I love these. I love them.
That I miss. Wolfpack boy.
Alright guys, got another car coming in.
That Wolfpack boy.
Another Jeep.
Oh. That's that leader of the Wolfpack. He ain't playing, boy. Enjoying the view. It ain't no joke. That man said, I'm gonna rev it, boy. Right here. What do you think about it?
Let's go. Let's hear some feedback.
It wasn't playing.
Does anyone else feel like that's a really high-pitched explosion? That's just... Alright, I got a guest entry from an S550 Mustang. Let's hear that one. Let's hear it. See that or not? You see that? You're standing right there. Everyone watch that. Let's hear that stuff. So this is what like a 9-second quarter-mile car sounds like. Yeah, so